My name is Thsonono Buyeye, the Interim Executive Mayor of Nelson Mandela Bay. I would like to thank all the media houses broadcasting this message, giving us this opportunity to inform our citizens about the work that has been done and currently in progress. Since the first COVID-19 address by President Cyril Ramaphosa, our city has been hard at work to fight the spread of this invisible enemy. Work was further escalated by the President's official announcement of the lockdown. As soon as this pandemic was declared a disaster, our city established a Nelson Mandela Bay COVID-19 Disaster Management Forum chaired by the city's Disaster Management Director, Mr. Shane Brown. The forum, working through a Joint Operations Center, commonly referred to as JOC, comprises all the Municipality Service Delivery Directorates, sector departments of health, social development, public works, defense, police, and local business chambers. The purpose of this JOC is to coordinate all government, NGO, and all stakeholder interventions and programs in the fight against the spread of COVID-19. The work of the forum is done under the political oversight of the Office of the Executive Mayor and the relevant mayoral committee members. Work has been clustered into different work streams, namely law enforcement, social development, health, disaster management, and community mobilization. The health work stream has been hard at work throughout the city, disseminating essential COVID-19 information to thousands of residents. Through leaflet handover, loud hailing, and health education interactions. Through this work stream, working with the security cluster, we are pleased that the payment of social grants proceeded smoothly in Nelson Mandela Bay without incident. Officials from both the Municipal Public Health Directorate and the Provincial Department of Health worked together, assisting grant beneficiaries to adhere to social distancing and sanitization. This work has gone a long way in protecting the most vulnerable members of our society, the elderly. Currently, screening and testing is underway at different sites, namely the Warmer Wellness Center, the PE Central Clinic, and the Raymond Hlaba Sports Center. A mobile clinic is currently in Cllr and will move around the metro. The commitment shown by officials from the health work stream has been inspiring, and we thank them for being willing to be on the front lines of this battle against the COVID-19. Our Human Settlement Directorate has also been proactive since the declaration of the national lockdown. Officials led by the Mayoral Committee member, Cllr Thsonono, have been handing over sanitizers to residents in informal settlement. Our efforts are intensifying in these areas as informal settlement are one of the high-risk areas for the spread of COVID-19. The work of our men and women in uniform has also been encouraging, especially given that they operate under difficult circumstances. Some residents are intentionally and willingly disobeying the regulations. This work is done under the political oversight of the Mayoral Committee member for Safety and Security, Councillor Quinnipiang. This good work will continue throughout the lockdown period, as this is the last line of our defense against this deadly pandemic. We are aware that there is still a long way to go. I must also say that during the first half of the lockdown, we have seen and experienced worrying incidents within local communities. While most of our residents respect the current COVID-19 regulations, there are still those who seem to think that this is business as usual. They roam the streets, stand on street corners. If we continue this track, we will perish. COVID-19 has killed over 70,000 people across the globe. The message of the President was clear: stay at home. This you are not doing for the benefit of the government. You are doing it for your own benefit and the benefit of your family. You may think this is fine to leave your house and see your friends, but if by chance you contract the virus, you will take it back to your home. Adhering to the regulations is the only way we can contain the spread of this highly contagious virus. I would also like to call upon the community of Nelson Mandela Bay not to stigmatize people who have tested positive for the virus. This is a time when they need our support. Let us all continue to unite and work hard to save our city from this virus. We have walked this far. We have won many battles before this. We are a city that produces winners and world champions. We need men and women of character to work together in order to beat COVID-19. I believe in the commitment and resolve of the people of this city. We can do it. Let us beat COVID-19. I thank you.